Chaz here with Direct RC. I'm coming at you with the Hobby Plus CR18P EVO V2 on the bench. We've got the Convoy, we've got the Rock Van. These new releases, something that I've been wondering about, I've been curious about for a while now, is how waterproof is waterproof? So I had a chance to test their waterproof ability. Not sure that's a real word, but that's what we're going with. Because there's all kinds of, there's water resistant, there's waterproof, there's submersible. And a lot of those words get thrown out with RC electronics. And what's what? What does waterproof mean? Well, I had a chance to test it out. It's not a personal preference of mine to go mudding or river running with my RCs, because personally, I just don't like to have to do the maintenance that comes along with it, tearing them down, re-greasing them, drying them out, all that stuff. But I had the bug. It bit me. How waterproof is waterproof? So I'm going to roll some footage. You guys are going to see what happens. So let's check that out. there we have it. How waterproof is waterproof? All the way. Had these things completely submerged. They kept on trucking. The tires still had great grip, and they just kept powering through. They finished the pack. I charged them back up. I took them back out, ran them some more. No issues whatsoever. No steering issues, no motor issues, no ESC issues. The electronics held up, bulletproof. So to answer the question, how waterproof is waterproof? All of it. So don't hesitate. Check out these new trucks from Hobby Plus, from directrc.com. Put them to the test. They're going to hold up and you're going to love them. I will promise you that.